Tomorrow, it's going to be a lot more of that rain, most of it coming through in the morning. But this almost sunset is quite spectacular this evening. You could see the marine layer clouds that so many of us have seen all day today, and then those high clouds up above, just adding to a lot of color out there. It's dry. Pinpoint Out There Live is showing that right now, but it is going to get lit up, in particular tomorrow morning, as this beast of a storm system, such a well-defined comma. The more well-defined comma you have, the stronger a storm system. You could kind of think of it like a hurricane. The more well-defined that eye is, the stronger that storm system is. And it is tapping into an atmospheric river. You can see that moisture coming in all the way from Hawaii. Northern California is going to get the brunt of this storm system. It weakens significantly by the time it reaches us, but we're still going to be feeling the impacts here, especially because of how much rain we saw over the weekend. Right now, it is quite a bit warmer. We're close to 10 degrees warmer in some areas than yesterday. We're in the low to mid 60s. Tomorrow will be cooler. In fact, most of the county is going to hover pretty close to 60 degrees, between about 58 and 61, 62 degrees. So 61 in Poway, all 62 in Oceanside, El Cajon a little bit cooler. And tomorrow, the wind advisory for the mountains, coast, and valleys all match now. So we've actually lowered the wind we expect to see in the mountain areas. Everywhere we're expecting peak gusts up to about 35 miles per hour. It's in effect basically through the morning, 2 a.m. to noon tomorrow. On top of that, we're also going to be dealing with high surf and the threat for coastal flooding. We are talking about dangerously massive waves of 10 to 16 feet. So the high surf warning and coastal flood advisory go into effect at noon tomorrow, lasts all the way through 6 p.m. Friday. You don't want to be going in the water anyway because of the bacteria runoff, but add in these dangerous conditions, you're not going to want to go in, even more so. But looking at it should actually be pretty impressive. Minor coastal flooding is going to be an issue. We're talking about beach parking lots. We're talking about parks. We're talking about boardwalks. So that is going to be a concern, especially tomorrow as this rain rolls through and even into early Friday as the waves continue. All right, so timing it out, I want you to notice the northern tier of our county is going to get the brunt of this storm system. It is going to weaken as it moves farther to the south. So the highest rainfall totals, I actually think Palomar Mountain is going to see the most rain, potentially up to 3 inches. Farther to the south, I think most of us will see maybe up to ½ an inch of rain. Some of us are going to get even a little bit less than that. Camp Pendleton, Oceanside, Fallbrook, you're also going to be in on that. By the afternoon, the shower activity actually becomes a little bit more isolated. So through the morning into the early afternoon, the brunt of it comes through. Of all the commutes, of all the issues, I think your morning commute tomorrow is going to be the troublesome one. As far as rainfall totals go, you can really see the higher totals really targeted farther up into the North County. But we're going to average about 4/10 of an inch to 1.5 inches for most of the county. Again, the higher totals, the farther north you go. We are going to be drying out Friday and Saturday. Sunday and Monday, I'm still tracking that very slight chance, outside chance for any shower activity. Tuesday looks like a better chance for some rain. And then again, the end of next week, I am expecting more rain to come through. For the inland neighborhoods, temperatures are going to be quite chilly tomorrow, about 59 degrees. Meanwhile, average is 68. We'll be back there by Monday. We'll keep a slight chance for showers Sunday and Monday, a better chance again on Tuesday, but temperatures generally staying below normal through the extended. The mountain areas will be in the mere 40s today or tomorrow and Friday, warming into the 50s this weekend. Still not looking very likely for us to see any snow in our mountain areas. Maybe the highest peaks, but I don't think we're going to see a lot of impact there. Temperatures in the deserts warming into the 70s by Sunday.